Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a big bag of empties, and if you're new to my channel, I'm a big project painter, but I love to use up anything I can. That's why I collect everything and show you guys at the end of the month. If that interests you, I hope you will consider giving me a big like, subscribe, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everyone, so I have it all sitting in front of me, everything that I used up, and I'm just going to grab the first one that's next to me. So I have this from Elemis, and this came in a advent calendar that I had bought this year, and I really liked these. I wish I had more of these. This was kind of just like maybe a travel size that was in that that advent calendar, but I really liked it. So it looks like this, and I don't know how it says it was 14 in here. So this is what the container looks like, and yeah, it was really nice. I thought they worked well. I'd probably go through one or two a day. I'd wash my face and then take this, use this to get everything else that didn't get off my face from the first time washing, and I really liked it. I used this up. This is the Difeel Different Feel Biotin Pro Growth Conditioner. So I actually bought these a while ago. It was a shampoo conditioner set. I had a few of them. I think it was 2 of each. So this is the last out of the 4 that I had that I used up. But I had bought these for my daughter because I was trying to grow her hair out a little bit longer because years ago she cut it and it's gotten so long, and I really believe, I mean, it has been a few years, but I think this has helped a little bit. So, but this is what it looks like, and like I said, I just used it up. It was her and me just using it by the end. So just so I could get it out because I've had it for quite a long time. And I have this from Chi. I got this from Marshalls a while ago. This is the Chi Keratin Reconstructing Conditioner. And this is a really nice one. And, oh, that was nice. I thought it was completely gone. I just sprayed myself. I apologize, but there's just a little bit in there. I scraped everything I could out of this. I thought it was a really nice conditioner. It smelled really, or it still does smell really fresh smelling. I like it a lot. And this is a shampoo from Professional Sebastian Dark Oil. It says it has jojoba and argan oil, and it's a lightweight shampoo. So this is a really big one, and I just used this up. Actually, I'm just on the verge of using this up. There's probably like one more time use. I actually scraped it out and dumped it out as much as I could into one of these, and it's nearly gone. So I'm going to call it quits on this, and I like it. I would mix it with other shampoos that I am trying to use up as well. I have this here. This is a Eco Lips lip scrub. I got this in a subscription box quite a while ago, and it smelled really good. It even tasted good. I thought I would eat it, but you can definitely tell that it would taste really good. It smells really good when you would just use it to scrub it. But no, I never ate it or anything like that, but I can tell if it got in your mouth, it wasn't terrible. I would never eat it. But so anyway, it smells really good, and I was going to show you, it's completely used up, and I liked it. It was a long time trying to use this up. I've had it for so long, and it's gotten a little dirty from having it next to where I brush my teeth and stuff. So yeah, that's why sometimes it got a little too close to my toothbrush. But either way, it's gone now. And I have this here, and I'll have to wash this off. Something dumped on it. In fact, I'll just show you it the way it is. So this is the Skin Ceremony Retinol with Vitamin E. It's an anti-aging eye cream treatment. So that's what it looks like. And something was leaking in my bag. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash this off to open it up. So I'll be right back. So this is much cleaner now. I had all these empties in a plastic bag, and one of them tipped over. I'm thinking just a little bit of the shampoo that wasn't completely used up just dumped out. I got as much out as I could, but I know it was still leaking a little bit probably. So again, this is what it looks like. I like this quite a bit. It was really nice. And it was a big container, as you can see, for an eye cream anyway. And I got this at Marshalls. I really like it. I would maybe think of purchasing again because it was that good. And I have this here. This is from Physicians Formula, and I just did a project pan update, and this was in that as well. But I took the stopper out of this, and this is the Watermelon Sugar Lip Gloss. It was one of my favorites that I've used in a while, but I even took the stopper out and just tried to use up as much as I could there. And I do miss this a little bit. It smells really good, and it was just a really nice lip gloss. And just gonna wash my, or at least wipe some of this off. It's still on there. So I used up some candles here, and this is the last of what I've used up this last month. But this is the Bath & Body Works Passion Fruit Banana Flower Scented Candle. This was the month for using up candles. I've had these for a long time, but as you can see, I burned them as far down as I could. And this one smells really, really good. They all really smell good. This is such a good, I would say more flower scented than banana, but it has a really good fragrance. Fruity, florally, sweet. It is just everything in between. Really nice. This here is a candle from White Barn. This is the Island Margarita. And so again, I'll show you up close. That's what it looks like. And I mean, it burned as much as I could. It didn't burn very evenly. Got pretty, I mean, it looks kind of dangerous to burn this, so I probably started burning the jar. So yeah, but this smelled really good. It smelled like a margarita for sure, and I did like it. This one is the Bath & Body Works Ocean Driftwood Scented Candle. As you can see here, this one is really, really dirty from something that spilt. That's disappointing, but that's what it looks like, and it smells really good. It kind of, I used up as much as I could. It kind of smells like a cologne would. A really good man's cologne. It just says it's supposed to be ocean and driftwood, but I mean, to me, it smells like a cologne, a really nice scented cologne. Hey everyone, so that's all for this month for my empties. I didn't have too much this month. Really small amount that I used up. I wish I would have used up more, but of course, some months are not as heavy as other months, but some of these that I used up they've been in my collection for a long time, and I am happy to be rid of them. Like videos like this, please consider giving me a big thumbs up, and of course, I'll have more empties next month, as well as I'll have another project pan update next month. If you missed that, I hope you go ahead and check that out, but until then, have a great day, everyone. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.